Hello friends, in this video we will see how to connect Bluetooth speaker to a smartphone. Here I am using MI speaker. I will long press on the speaker so it gets on.
Power on.
Now in my phone I will on the Bluetooth by long pressing it. You can see the device that is paired and also available devices. I am selecting MI portable BT speaker. I am clicking on it. Once I click on it, it starts getting connected and ask an option to pair. I am clicking on pair. That's it. Mobile Bluetooth is connected to speaker. Now I am playing a YouTube video, a story.
It is divine. One should study to become wise.
You can hear the audio output is from the speaker. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned.